Feeling stuck in a content creation rut? It's time to revolutionize your video marketing with AI DIY tools. These advanced resources are designed to turn your creative visions into reality without frustration or steep learning curves. Dive into effortless editing with intuitive drag-and-drop features and customizable templates. Save time and energy as AI technology suggests the best colors, sounds, and layouts for your projects, like having a magic wand for your videos. Whether you're crafting a heartfelt message or a dynamic promo, these tools are as flexible as your imagination, bending to fit your every need. Start transforming your video content today with AI DIY tools and bring your most captivating ideas to life. Your viewers are waiting. Don't keep them hanging. Some of our favorites include Pictory, Flicky, rightblogger, and InVideo. Learn more about the tools we use to create videos for all business needs at newhorizons123.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more digital and visual marketing tips.